Pranav, your master teacher of Little Dear Sir channel, is here with you with a new and interesting topic, that is environment. In this today's video, we are going to learn about the environment. But before the starting, like, share and subscribe our channel Little Dear Sir, and tell in the comment box to like this video. Welcome to your channel Little Dear Sir, because we provide you free education on YouTube. Environment. Let's start with this today's topic, environment. Everything that is in our surrounding is environment. Means the things which surround us, which makes our environment, which makes our surroundings, it is known as the environment. Now this board, now these things, now this mic, now this shirt, now these things which are all around me, all around you. Now you are watching this video, the things you are around you. This is the environment. Nature, place, people, things that surround any living organism is known as the environment. Next. Components of environment. There are mainly three types of environments. How many types of environments? Three types of environments. Which are these three? First, natural environment. Natural environment. Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere are the four types of natural environment. Second, human-made environment. In this human-made environment, buildings, roads, bridges, vehicles are the four types of human-made environment. And many are there. In individual, there are four given. Individual, family, community, nation, society, political, economic, and etc. There are many types, but here we have discussed about four only. Next, lithosphere. Now the first type in the natural environment is the lithosphere. The solid top layer of the Earth's crust is known as the lithosphere. Now this is our Earth, which is divided into these three main parts. First is the core, which is the thinnest layer. Second, mantle. Third, core. And this core is also divided into two parts, inner core and outer core, which you have seen in the layers of the Earth this video. So the topmost layer is made up of lithosphere, means land. It comprises of landforms such as mountains, plateaus and plains. Now on the land there are different types of land. Some are hilly like regions, some are plain regions, some are in the river, some are in the ocean. So these are different types of landforms. It is important for human beings as it provides land for human settlement. Now what does this land do? Land helps to build houses, supports the forest cover. Now forest is on this land, so to support this forest, the land is there. Contains the rich soil for growing crops. Now this land has a soil. The soil is very important because on this soil we grow our crops. Provides minerals for various human activities. Now the minerals are present: coal, petroleum, diesel, iron, nickel, etc., etc. So it is important. Next, hydrosphere. Next we have the domain of water, which is known as the hydrosphere. The domain of water referred to as hydrosphere. It comprises various sources of water and different types of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. Now there are the different types of land water bodies such as lakes, rivers, oceans and etc. So these all the water bodies comes into the hydrosphere because they are made up of the water. It is essential for all living organisms. Water is very important for all living organisms. Next, atmosphere. Now what is this atmosphere? The atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. Now this is the air, the thin layer of air. It is known as the atmosphere. It is like an envelope or a blanket to our earth. It consists of number of gases, dust and water vapor. Now there are different types of gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, then various water vapors are there, dust is there, which makes the atmosphere. The changes in the atmosphere produce changes in the weather and climate. If there is very cloudy weather, these are the clouds, it makes the rainfall. If it is so no clouds, it makes so sunny. So it also has the ozone layer, means it protects the UV rays to come on the earth. Okay. Next, biosphere. Plant and animal kingdom together make the biosphere or the living world. So the plants, animals, all the kingdom of these makes up the biosphere. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. This is the main definition of This is the main definition of biosphere, that it is a narrow zone where land, water, air interact with each other to support life. This is the zone that makes the earth unique planet because of the existence of life. So here the life is present, and the earth is the only planet where the life is present. So because of the biosphere it is possible. Next, ecosystem. Now what is the ecosystem? All plants, animals and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. We know what our surrounding is. We depend on that surrounding, right? Often they are also interdependent on each other. Now everyone is dependent on plant for food and oxygen. Okay. Next, this relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. So the relation between the living things and the non-living things make the ecosystem. Next, human and human-made environment. Man-made environment relates to the elements made by human beings for their activities and survival. Now, suppose we made any things. Why do we made it? To make our activities easier, to make our survival easier, to make the works easier. They modify the natural environment to suit their needs by man-made things. This includes roads, buildings, bridges, vehicles, factories, farms, mines, etc. Now, these examples, roads, buildings, these we made for us, right? And we modify it. Human environment consists of human beings themselves as an individual, a family, community and the whole society that interacts in the form of social, political, religious groups and affect each other's lives. Now, no matter that from which caste you are, from which religion you are, from which gender you are, from which birth, means any equality, everyone is equal, and the people live in different types, such as some people live individually, some people live with family, some people live in community, some people live in religion, and they interact with each other to form the social and political life. Next, now the last thing, the major problems in the world are result of the difference between how nature works and the people think. Means the working of the nature and the people is different. So the most major problems are formed because of this. So we should adapt the things. If we can't change the things, we should adopt it. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe our channel Little Dear Sir, and tell in the comment box do you like this video. Welcome in your channel Little Dear Sir, because we are one of the channel which give you free education.